Beautiful day in Pennsylvania. This shouldn't last much longer, but I'm gonna get that John Deere 316 out and give it a try and move some snow over there for a little while, and then we'll drive the old green Ford. Alright, using that trusty Hyper Tough pump to fill up the John Deere 316 with some gas. Let's go in there, we'll pop the hood, check the oil. Replace the carburetor, fuel filter, spark plugs, change the oil. And this thing is ready to go. We ended up with we did, flat tires. We'll put some air in that and we'll have to check that later. Alright, see if the old John Deere 316 is going to start. So I got a little choke, full throttle. Believe that brand new carburetor is leaking down. There she cleared up. Alright, let's see if we can plow some snow with it. bugs to work out of it yet, but I think it's gonna work rather well, and this snow is like concrete. So little plowed snow with a John Deere 316 garden tractor. Don't work too bad. Because snow blade just has up and down, no left and right, unfortunately. You have to pull the pin and move it where you want it. Works. Seems to be a good running machine, and we'll have more of it when it's get into summer with cutting grass. So thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.